Hey everyone. So I ordered the palettes. This is the big face palette, and unfortunately this came broken. It was put on top and it was, I think, covered in bubble wrap or something, but it still broke from Australia to the US. So this is a mess, and so what I did was I did my best to clean it and put it, like, in a paper, and then put the paper in there, but chunks of the glitter were coming out as well. So it's got like some of the, mostly I would say, that gold glitter in it. It's very creamy. It's very pretty. At first I said I wanted a new one, but I thought I would never be able to get all this powder, but I did. So I said, give me the refund, and they did. So it's a mess, and it's probably going to take at least one application of all the colors to get the true colors, since the highlighter went all over them. And this is their, regular palette, their eyeshadow palette. I hope I can close it because I don't want to take that Barbie thing off. But these colors are very pretty. And then I got this, like a complexion palette, because it's going to have your blushes, your highlighter, and your contour. And I got the pink palette. This is like a cheek palette, I think. Actually, I think this is like, it has highlighter, glitter, shadow, and blush. And then they have another one that's browns and beiges with a silver glitter, and I think I'm going to get that one too. I'm just very frustrated with my mailman not wanting to deliver my packages from Australia. Now, they already sold out of 2 of the lip glosses, but the one I really wanted was this one. I didn't want the other lipsticks. They were coral and nude, so I just got the Barbie pink, and then I got the pink glitter shadow. They have like a gold one and a silver one, so again, I'm thinking about getting the silver one with the brown, with the other palette that's like highlighters and shadows in it and glitter. So this is my BYS Barbie collection. And like I said, I got one of each of these. I'm thinking about getting a couple of more, like just the silver eyeshadow and the palette, and then there's a cosmetics bag. I'm hoping that I can fit all of this in the cosmetics bag. So I'm thinking about getting those. Just like I said, I'm really frustrated with my mailman. But anyway, just wanted to show you that as well. And again, I apologize that last week I did not do a video. We were cleaning this place up like crazy. And the guys never showed up. But I'm glad, because I didn't want them to do that anyway. I didn't want them to change our keys to a keypad. I just foresee break-ins and stuff like that. But I'm glad I got the house clean. Everybody chipped in and helped, and I had a good time with my brother this weekend. So yeah, so again, I was going to do a video today, but when I found out that the Fantasy Makers Collection hit Houston, I had to go and get it before they go on eBay and sell for $1 trillion. Alrighty, guys, I will see you next week. Okay, bye.